2025 Proton Saga Pickup Truck boasts a bold and modern design that commands attention. Its front fascia features a redesigned infinite weave grille flanked by sleek LED daytime running lamps, providing both style and improved visibility. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines enhance its visual appeal, while the 15-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. The rear is equally impressive, with a functional cargo bed, LED tail lamps, and a sturdy bumper designed for utility. Available in vibrant colors like jet gray and rosewood maroon, the Saga Pickup Truck is as stylish as it is practical. Inside, the Saga Pickup Truck offers a comfortable cabin with fabric seats, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and ample storage compartments. The ergonomic layout ensures a driver-focused experience, making every journey enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Proton Saga Pickup Truck is powered by a 1.3 liters 4-cylinder DOC VVT engine, delivering 91 horsepower at 5,750 revolutions per minute and 117 Newton-meters of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. The pickup truck's suspension system comprises McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam at the rear, ensuring a balanced and comfortable ride across various terrains. With a ground clearance of 150 mm, it confidently tackles uneven roads and light off-road conditions. Fuel efficiency is a highlight, with the Saga Pickup Truck achieving approximately 14 to 16 km/L, making it an economical choice for both city commuting and longer journeys. Safety features are comprehensive, including dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution, brake assist, electronic stability control, traction control system, and hill hold assist. These systems work in tandem to provide a secure driving experience, especially in challenging conditions. The pickup truck also offers practical features like a reverse camera and parking sensors, aiding in maneuvering and parking in tight spaces. With a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters and a curb weight of approximately 1,050 kilograms, the Saga Pickup Truck balances performance and efficiency. Its turning radius of 5.1 meters ensures agility in urban environments. In conclusion, the 2025 Proton Saga Pickup Truck stands out as a versatile and reliable vehicle that caters to both personal and professional needs. Its modern design, combined with practical features, makes it a compelling choice in the pickup segment. The interior is thoughtfully designed, offering comfort and convenience with its user-friendly infotainment system and ample storage options. The ergonomic layout ensures that drivers have everything within reach, enhancing the overall driving experience. Performance-wise, the pickup truck delivers a balanced blend of power and efficiency. Its robust engine, coupled with a responsive transmission, ensures that it can handle daily commutes and heavier loads with ease. The suspension system provides a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections effectively. Safety is paramount, and the Saga Pickup Truck doesn't disappoint. With a suite of advanced safety features, drivers and passengers can have peace of mind on every journey. The inclusion of modern driver assistance systems further enhances its appeal. Moreover, the vehicle's fuel efficiency and affordable maintenance costs make it an economical choice for budget-conscious buyers. The availability of various color options allows owners to personalize their pickup truck to match their style. In the competitive pickup truck market, the 2025 Proton Saga Pickup Truck offers a compelling package that combines style, performance, safety, and value. Whether you're a business owner in need of a reliable workhorse or an individual seeking a versatile vehicle for daily use, the Saga Pickup Truck is worth considering. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review of the 2025 Proton Saga Pickup Truck. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.